Go on, go pee. Good girl. She did too.
Come on. Move it.
Oh, he's a good girl. Ew.
I picked it up.
You picked it up. Yep.
I got some.
Get it, Allie.
Go get it.
Go get it. Go get it, Allie.
That's a lot. What if Evie thinks it's sugar?
She's not gonna think it's sugar.
Hey, something wrong on the line.
Go get it. Go get it.
Why do I have to do that? No. No.
Get inside. Go get me a towel. Are you a good girl? Sit. Allie, sit. Sit. Allie, are you a pretty girl? Allie, hey, are you a pretty girl? Are you gonna show me? Are you shivering? Are you a pretty girl? Do it. What's that? Are you a pretty girl? Something up there? What are you staring at? I don't see it. Is this the water? Are you a pretty girl? Huh? Allie, are you a pretty girl?
To drag this up, Mama?
She's like, I'm not gonna do it. I'm cold. Cold. Ooh. It's just a lot of ice. Yeah.
It's raining hail.
It's raining ice. It's hail.
Hail.
Oh my goodness. No, don't come over here. No. Alright, sit. 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 I'll dry you off. I'll dry you. Oh, yes. Good girl. Oh, yes. Sit. 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 Oh, are you a pretty girl? Are you a pretty girl? She's like, I still don't want to do it. You're going to ask me 20 times. Too excited. And I'm cold.